Hi everyone, back with another video, and the boiler has come up with this error, meaning there's low pressure, as you can see. So we're going to resolve that. So if you look underneath your boiler, you will see these two valves. This one's off, this one's on at the moment. Just switch this valve on. This one's already in the on position. So all we need to do is turn this one on. And you'll see the pressure's going up. And we'll have it between 1 and 2.5. This is on the Baxi boiler. And I'm happy with that. And as you can see, the error message has gone. So we'll give that a thumbs up. We just tried the hot water and it's gone up to 55. And then once it hasn't been used for a while, it should just drop down and stay at 25. The pressure went down a little bit and then it went back up a bit. So it's all done. Nice one. If you are not confident in doing it yourself, always call out a professional. Cheers, guys.